Today, I'm going to talk about how to monetize your gift or talent or through products and services. Hello warriors, welcome back to my channel. My name is seunobisesan. Multiple streams of income are additional ways for you to make money. In my last video, I talked about how to manage your money. So you can watch it up here if you haven't seen that video. Having said that, having multiple streams of income is not necessary for you if you don't know how to manage your money. So if you're still struggling with how to manage your money, this video is not for you. Having said that, I will mention few ways that you can make money as a college student, and that might as well applies to everybody. But everything that we mention here might not apply to you. How do we make more money? Number one, lift share. Lift share is a way of you helping other people to get to their destination, and they pay towards the cost of that trip. If you're a student and you have a car, this might be a way for you to make extra money. And I will say to you to do it on a weekly payment scheme. What do I mean by this? If you have a 5-seater car, obviously you are the driver, you have 4 extra seats. But let's say you want 3 people. So for example, I live in Toom. For you to go to GMIT or NUIG from Toom through the bus service, it's 40 euro per week. That's Monday to Friday if you buy the weekly ticket. Now, if you have your friends or your classmate from college that lives in Toom and you live in Toom, you can charge between 25 to 30 euro per week. And they have to come into a verbal contract with you for the per week payment. They pay you 30 euro per week. Let's say 3 people pay you 30 euro per week. That's 90 euro for you. The good thing about lift sharing is you are going to your destination anyway, regardless of you having other passengers in your car. And this might go towards your other expenses, like that's 30 euro or 120 euro for you per week. You might come up with an agreed time that we get to the college at 9 and then we leave at 6. And the arrangement can change depending on your schedule or your timetable for that week. But don't do daily payment. Maybe you're charging 25 euro, for example, and somebody might say, I can give you 5 euro per day because I don't go to school. Don't do that. That's not a good way of doing business. See this as a business, even though it's not really your main income. But it could be more than what you earn in a week, depending on how many people you can put in your car. Number 2, selling of products. If you go to Dawn stores or Tesco's, sometimes they have pack of Club Orange, the can one, 24 in a pack, and it's 9.99. That's 10 euro. If you sell 1 can for €1 each, that is 24 euro. And then if you deduct your cost, which was 10 euro, you've made 14 euro profit on that pack. Your target should be selling 24 cans to 24 people per day, and 14 euro every day for 5 days. That's about 70 euro if I'm not mistaken. So that's extra income for you. That is if you have a car, because 24 cans of soft drink can be heavy. Or sometimes when students are in college until like 2 or 3 p.m., the sugar level is beginning to go down. If you can get a pack of lollipop, buy the packet. You can sell it for €1 each instead of giving out sweets. Anytime you open your bag to have your sweet, you say, oh, do you want one? No. Make it into a business, and then you can sell it to your classmate for €1 per stick. Number 3, it's baking. If you know how to bake cupcakes, cookies, anything at all, you can say it to your friends. Oh, you do bake. Maybe you want to sell one cupcake for 50 cents, or the likes of people who know what meat pie, scotch eggs are. Most people who sell meat pie do 12 pieces for €10. If somebody wants to buy a meat pie worth of €10 from you, you make 12 pieces. You can do that over the weekend and drop it to school on Monday. The thing with baking is the more you practice, the more you bake, the better you become. And the better you become, the less it costs you to get the product done. Or if you know how to bake cake, let's say you have 10 friends, that's 10 cake for you in a year. You can bake for your friends, bake birthday cakes for your friends. Or like the last time when we had Valentine's, you can do some cupcakes and do 12 in a box for you to sell to your, classmates. Like, you're not really getting out of college to do that. You only do that on your spare time at home. Baking is another way of making money. Number 4 is makeup, hair, nails. If you are good at doing your own hair, definitely you can do other people's hair. And you can take 1 or 2 or 3, depending on how fast you are on a Saturday. Depending on how close these people are to you or the kind of style they are doing, you can charge them based on your agreed price. And this will give you extra income. You're only using your hands to do this. And if you're very good with makeup, like you just charge less than what they will get in a shop. So be competitive. And then you can do people's makeup or get their nails done. I don't do nails, but with a lot of youth that I work with, it costs like 40, 45 euro to get your nails done. And that can only last for like 4 weeks. So somebody coming to you every 4 weeks. If you have 4 people coming to you every 4 weeks, that's 1 person per week. That's 40 euro for you every week on the side. Number 5 is intellectual ability. What do I mean by this? There was a time when I was in secondary school, I used to help few people write their notes, because we write on the blackboard and then people copy the notes. They pay me for it. So if you have classmates who always need your help with their, assignments, with their essay, proofreading, you can charge people for that, for your service. That's a service you give to them. So you can charge for that based on an agreed price. Just be reasonable with your, price, because you are giving them value. They should give you something in return. As a student, you can do that, or you can even teach people, like over the weekend, if your classmate or even younger people, like it's getting close to leaving cert. If you're very good with math, you could take on students on Saturdays online. Zoom is there. You can use that service, and then you charge them and you teach them the math. That's if you're very good with it. So intellectual ability could be monetized. So if you have other ways that a student in particular could earn extra income, please comment in the comment section. For all the options that I mentioned, do your own research. See if it's gonna work for you. Because if you're a student, you don't want to get into working, getting away from your education, you can as well look for other ways that you can make income, extra money. Having said that, you need to work on managing your money first before you start making extra money. So if you're still watching up to this moment, I believe you've gained value from this video. So please give it a like so it can reach out to more people. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification button so you'll be notified when I post new videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, warriors.